All right, so on 6.5, number 14, here's the deal. It says if you do 800 joules of work to lift an object 3.5 meters, what is the object's mass? So here's what we know. We know that the work that you did is 800 joules. And what that accomplished is it allowed us to take an object and lift it up to a height of 3.5 meters. Okay? So I'm going to start this the same way I've done everything else. Start by thinking about your energy at the 2 points. So before you lift the box, what's the height? 0. What's the velocity? 0, right? So what's my total energy going to be down here at the bottom, you guys? 0, right? There's no GPE, no KE, so that means my total energy down here at the bottom is 0. All right, up at the top, I know my height, but since I don't know the mass, I can't find my GPE, right? What's the velocity, though, after you lift it? Well, so maybe this is a thing. It's a thing that came up before break, so let me reiterate this, I guess. Anytime I just say you're lifting a thing, you can always assume it starts and ends at rest. Does that make sense? Okay. So that means the velocity up here is 0. Now, is my total energy still going to be 0?
No.
So how about what should the total energy be then?
It would be the GPE of point near the top.
Yeah, so it's the GPE, because our KE is 0, right? Okay. Anybody see where we're going here? What's the significance of this number, you guys? The work of you is 800 joules. Why do we care?
Because it's going to be equivalent to the total energy of the...
Yeah, this is our change in total energy. So if we started with 0 joules, and then we gain 800 joules, that means the total energy here has to be 800 joules. Right? Because of this equation right here. Our work was 800. Our total energy initially was 0. So the total energy final must be 800. Make sense? So if the total energy is 800, then what's the GPE?
GPE would be 800.
800, right? And then you can find your mass. So you just go GPE equals mgh. Our GPE is 800. We don't know the mass. G is 9.8. H is, what was it, 3.5? And then solve it. Cool, you guys? Questions?
Sorry.
Oh, no, you were just looking up. I didn't know if you were going to ask a question.
No.
You good? All right, anybody else? Okie dokie then. Use the